Read me. Are introverts better leaders? There is no one-size-fits-all answer to this question, as different leadership styles can work for different people and situations. However, it is worth noting that introverts can make great leaders and excel in leadership roles. Introverts tend to be good listeners, thoughtful, and introspective, which are all qualities that can benefit leadership. They are often able to think deeply about problems and develop creative solutions. Additionally, introverts are generally good at building meaningful relationships with others and can be very effective at managing and motivating teams. That being said, it is important to remember that extroverts can also make excellent leaders. Extroverts tend to be outgoing, enthusiastic, and assertive, which can help them to inspire and energize their teams. Ultimately, the most effective leaders are those who are able to understand and leverage their strengths, regardless of whether they are introverted or extroverted. Now it's your turn. 3, 2, 1, go.